Hello guys, welcome back to another amazing episode of Jumi's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how I make my yummy coconut fried rice. So tell me, what's the definition of good food? Delicious meal. Well, for me, delicious meals are meals that are tasty, appetizing, yummy, luscious, delectable, mouth-watering kind of food. And my fried rice is one good recipe I would love you to see. So I usually tell my siblings that there are various ways by which you can make fried rice, and one of those ways is what I'll be showing you today. So come with me as I show you. I'll put a link in the description box for you to get to see the video where I made this crunchy chicken. So come with me, let's make our coconut fried rice. So for the ingredients, I'll be using some runner beans, scotch bonnet pepper, spring onions, carrots, chicken. For this chicken, I'm using some chicken I have at home. You can as well just use chicken breast. Shrimps, this is medium-sized shrimps, sweet corns, green peas, onion, garlic and ginger, then green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and also yellow bell pepper. Then the chief of the ingredients, my coconut milk. This is canned coconut milk. I have my soy sauce. Then I have curry powder. In fact, just check the list of ingredients right down in the description box. Thank you. The first thing I'll be doing today is boiling the chicken for a while because I need the chicken stock. Now that I have my stock, I'm going straight to the business. This is the washed rice. I'm using the chicken stock to toast the rice. So I'll stir it together with the stock. You know, in the stock I have a bit of oil. The chicken has released some oil and all of that, so I'm using that to toast the rice first. I'm doing this for a while, then I'm adding my coconut milk. So the next thing I'll be doing is to add some onion, some part of the onion, some part of the curry powder also, a little bit of the parsley, and I'm stirring everything together. Mind you, I'm not stirring it so much. Then some salt to taste. Stir together and then leave it to boil up. While this is ongoing, I'll try to shred my chicken. This is very simple, just use a fork and knife to do this. Then I'll season my shrimps with some soy sauce because I want it spicy, with some chili pepper and a little bit of salt. Then I'll stir it together and then stir it. Then I will fry it on a medium heat. Fry for 5 minutes at most, and then set aside. After frying, set it aside. Now start stir frying the ingredients. I'll start with my garlic, my scotch bonnet pepper, my ginger, crushed ginger. Start by stir frying it gradually. Add the scotch bonnet pepper. All of this too is on low heat. Make sure that the heat is not so much, it's not on high heat, so that your ingredients can come out well. Then I'm adding the green peas to it. I'm adding all of these ingredients gradually. I'm not adding everything at once because they have different cooking times. So the next thing I'm adding now is the carrots. Yes, add the carrots, because we still want all of our ingredients to be crunchy, so we won't be keeping them on the heat for so long. And make sure this is all happening on a low heat. Now I'm adding the onions. Stir together. Remember, on a very low heat at this point. Stir, stir, stir. Please, if you have watched up to this level, please do subscribe to this channel. Right about now, I'm adding the bell peppers, the green bell pepper, yellow and the red bell pepper. Stir together. Now I'm adding my spring onions. Stir together. And there goes my sweet corn. Sweet corn is right there. Stir together. Stir, stir and stir, but stir it gently. Then I'm adding the remaining part of the seasoning, the parsley leaves, the curry powder and the rest of the seasoning, the salt. So I'm checking for taste. If I'm okay with the taste, I'll just leave it, because it has to be really nice. It has to be sweet, because we'll still get to fry it with the rice. Right now, I'll be introducing the shredded chicken into it, so that all the flavors and everything, they can marry together and we can have a very yummy fried rice, coconut fried rice. So at this point, I'm okay with my ingredients, and the next thing I'll be doing is frying the rice. I've added a bit of oil into the pot. By now the rice is 70% done, and I'm beginning to fry it together. So I'll put in some ingredients and I'll put in some rice and fry. I'll do this in bits. So I would like to know in the comment section, do you usually mix your fried rice in a pot, in the same pot that you used in cooking it, or do you mix it separately? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Growing up, this is the method that I really like, because it doesn't make the rice go bad easily. You can keep this rice in your fridge as long as you want. It will not get spoiled because you have fried it. You have fried the ingredients, you're frying the rice, so that preserves it. So keep stirring it, keep frying it. Remember, still continue doing this on a low heat. Do this, keep frying, keep stirring it. Yes, and it's getting ready. Our shrimps are the last ingredient to be added, so stir it together. At this point, you are even free to still check for taste. If you are not fine with the taste, you can still add a bit of salt or some seasoning cube to it if you are not, if the taste is not perfect yet. So do that before any other thing. And right now my coconut fried rice is ready. Wow, can't wait to try this. So yummy. Thank you for watching. Bye.